Hi, so today we are going to be making we are going to be removing the background from a picture using something other than Magic Wand selection or eraser tool. And then we are going to be putting it on 6 equal backgrounds in the same file. So the first thing you need to do is go to Photoshop. You're going to go to File, New. We're going to make it 15 inches by 6 inches high, 150 resolution, transparent. And we're going to hit Create. If you hit Control 0, it will make it as big as it can be. Now, do you see here how I have rulers? If you do not have rulers on the top and side, I need you to go up to View and make sure Rulers has a check mark near it. Then, if you notice, mine is in inches. To get it to go to inches, to make sure it's in inches, if you go to the cursor, do you see how if I go up here to the ruler and the cursor changes? When it is the white arrow, if you right click, you should be able to click inches. So now, like I told you, we're going to be making 6 equal backgrounds. Each background is 5 inches by 3 inches. Well, the easy way to do it is, do you see here, if I have my cursor here and then it turns into white, but when it turns into white, if I click and hold, I can drag an imaginary line. They are called guides. And I'm going to put one at 5 inches, and I'm going to put one at 10 inches. And then I'm going to do the same thing from the top. So now there are 6 even backgrounds. To find the pictures, you're going to go into the week ending 1/16, and there is a folder here called Pictures for Remove Background. So there are 6 pictures, and then this is the picture that we're removing the background. So we'll start with that one first. It is a picture of a mug. I picked it purposely because it's white on white. So if you copy the image and you paste it in, if I use the Magic Wand tool, you can see it would take out half of the cup, which is the reason why I didn't want to do that. So what we are going to do is we're going to use the pen tool. The pen tool is right here. Make sure it's the pen tool, and basically you're just going to click and drag the area that you want to select. And with the pen tool, to get it to finish, if you have to hit the first button and see, then it becomes a solid set. But we want to take this out too, so we're going to go ahead and just click. All right, now like we did the last time, we're going to hit Control Enter, and it becomes a selection. And if I hit backspace, I delete what's there. So I want to undo that, Control Z, and I want to go to Select Inverse, and then hit backspace, and now I have just my cup. I hit Control D to get rid of the dancing ants, and I hit Control 0 to see everything again. Okay, so I'm going to go back here to my selection tool, and I'm going to move this up here. I'm just going to leave that there for the moment. So now the easy part, or the easier part, is if you go to this, you click on one of the pictures, you can right click and copy it, and I'm going to paste it in. Excuse me. And then I can move it over here, and as you can see that these imaginary guides tell me this is too big of a picture, so I need to hit Control T, hold down the Shift key, and then I can put it perfectly in that corner. Hit Enter to get rid of, and we're going to go over here and we're going to put it behind. So we have one picture done. So then we will go back here, and we will pick another picture, copy it, paste it, Control T, hold the Shift key, and it will fill in that. So we're going to go ahead and do this for all 6 pictures. Okay, so now we are at the last one. Hopefully you were working in between them. And we're going to put it here. Hit Control T, hold the Shift key down, and I can put it like that. Now the easy thing is we're going to go over here to our first one. This shows us that this is this layer. Make sure it's selected. Put it kind of wherever we want it in the picture. We're going to right click on it and go to duplicate layer. And then we can just click and drag it. And if you can see on the screen, there's these little pink lines when they are in line with each other. The other way you can make a copy is if you take and you drag it down to the plus sign, which is add layer. You can do the same thing. Maybe you can see the pink lines a little better on this one. So we're going to go ahead and make all 6 of these. You take it down, the pink lines will go up and down also. And now you should see 4 sets of lines from this side and up and down. And last one, I'm going to move it over here. All right, and you are done. So you can go ahead and save it as a PSD in your Q3 folder. So you'll go to OneDrive, 21-22, Intro to Arts, 3rd quarter, and you can name it Change Background. Make sure that it is a Photoshop document, PSD, and hit save. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know. Have a wonderful day.